Hey game devs! Welcome back to the channel. If you're building games in Unity and want to save time, money, and effort, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 free Unity assets for September 2025 that you can grab right now to level up your game development. Let's dive in. Free assets are a game changer, especially for indie developers and solo creators. They help you prototype faster, polish visuals, and experiment without burning your budget. And the best part? These assets are high quality and ready to use. Let's jump into the list. Handpicked from the Unity Asset Store and trusted creators. Airplane Controller, a smooth flight system perfect for aerial games. Check it out in Top 10 Free New Assets September 2025, where CodeMonkey breaks down how it works. Low Polygons Pack, great for FPS or stylized shooters. Also featured in Top 10 Free New Assets, September 2022. Vertical Bar Unity Asset, for its versatility. Combat Sound Effects, add punch to your gameplay with dynamic audio. Find it in 75+ free Unity assets, September 2025, Asset Store, with tons of other sound packs. Stylized Human Model, ideal for RPGs or social sims. Highlighted in Top 10 Free New Assets, July 2025, for its clean rigging and animation-ready setup. Rope Wrapper, tool, add realistic rope physics to puzzles or climbing mechanics. Demoed in Top 10 Free New Assets, March 2025, with practical use cases. Stone floor textures, perfect for dungeons, castles, or medieval scenes. You'll see it in 140 free Unity assets, March 2025, Asset Store, among other environment packs. Vehicle Pack includes cars, trucks, and basic controllers. Featured in Top 10 Free New Assets, September 2025, with real-time demos, Feedback SDK, add haptic feedback and UI responses. A must-have for mobile games. Explained in unbelievable $2 assets, Humble Unity Summer Bundle. Plus, Drakkar Cybernetics Character Pack, sci-fi characters with animations. Found in Top 10 Free New Assets, September 2025. Perfect for futuristic games. Buttons, slides, dings and drops, SFX. UI Sound Pack for menus and interactions. Also covered in Top 10 Free New Assets, September 2025. Great for polish and UX. All these assets are available on the Unity Asset Store. Just search the name or follow the links in the video description. You can import them directly into your project and start building. Combine multiple assets to create prototypes, polish your UI, or test gameplay mechanics. That's it for today's roundup of the top 10 free Unity assets, September 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more game dev content, and comment below which asset you're excited to try. Until next time, keep building, keep creating.